going on, everyone? Thank you very much for joining me on Season 3 on the install video today. So yeah, we're actually doing something a little bit hands-on. This doesn't require any tools at all, which is awesome because, as you can probably see behind me, I'm in my underground car park in my flat and I don't have no tools here, as you know. But before we get into this video, don't forget, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe at the bottom and click that like button and bell notification button as well. That bell button tells you when I upload my new videos. And don't forget, I am on social media networks, Instagram and Facebook. And before we actually do get into the install video, this wouldn't be possible if not for my sponsor. This is sponsored by LE.D. I'd like to give those guys a massive thank you and a big shout out to them. And this is possible because they have sent me one of their awesome products today. And don't forget, if you go on their website, links and all that are at the bottom of the description. You can check all that out. LE.D's website. So go on there, and if you see something you like on there, their products, and just use that 10% discount on AJ Focus. That is the discount code. Like I said, it's all at the bottom of the screen, guys, and it would have been on the main screen as well. So yeah, I'd like to give those guys a huge thank you. And this wouldn't be possible today without them sending me one of their awesome products. Right, let's spin the camera around and get on with it, shall we? So, here's the ST. I know we ain't seen her in a while on the video. She's still here, she hasn't gone. I've had people been interested in buying it and that, but they're not really been genuine. I think they've just been time wasters. So it's still among me. So we're going to start off on the boot. I think be the best bet to do this first install. So I'm just going to move the boot net out of the way and then get started. I will show you actually what I've got to put in the boot. Right then, guys, this is what we're installing in the boot, and then we'll move on to the front in a minute. So this is the double boot light setup for the rear of the ST. As you know, the ST, they only come with one boot light on that side that I have replaced previously with, I think it was LE.D's single LED bulb that I bought. It's still working, as you can see. It's not flickering at all, and that's been in there now just over a year, and it's probably one of the best LED bulbs I've bought. But now they've sent me out this double boot light, LED strips, and this is the longest wire. On the right hand side of me here, there are two shorter wires there for the Footwell lights, and we'll get into that in just a second. So you want to grab the longest wire because it's got to go from there, it's got to wrap round all the way to that side. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to wire it up there, and I'm going to run it down here along the rubber seal, all the way along this wiring, all the way up, and I'm going to have it another strip there. I think that's the best way I can hide that wiring. I don't know where my plastic covers have gone here. I do have them somewhere at my parents' place. That would hide the wiring a bit more, but for now I'm just going to leave the wire, a little bit of the wire exposed. So first things first, guys, I'm going to need to just pop off the plastic cover before that LED gets too hot. No, actually, it shouldn't get too hot, it should be alright. Okay then. Just like so. And then you twist it to the right, and then it comes out. A little bit hot. So, yeah, this was the LED that was in there. Yeah, I think it is one of LE.D's. So, it's really good. It's lasted, like I said, it's lasted over. I like it. It's got like a circuit board on there, so it's not one of these ones that will flicker you get on eBay. So buying from an actual company is the way to go. I'm going to save this and I'll put it inside the cabin of the car, the main lights, because they sometimes flicker because there's some cheap LED ones there from eBay. Right, so this should be a nice easy install. You should just grab the end here that is on one of the LEDs. That's the 501 connection, that will just go straight in. illuminate. God, look at that. Blue. Awesome. Thank you for sending out blue. That was wasn't expecting that. I was expecting white or something. But blue, that's just awesome. Really, really bright. Wow. I can't look at it. Yeah, that's the LEDs. Very bright. Which is what it needs for the boot because it's dark in there, isn't it? Okay guys, as you can see they are working. I couldn't get the boot one, the longest ones, to work a minute ago. It's the connection. I had to the metal prong stuck up too far, so I pushed it back down and it came on. Good. So you will need one tool to just disconnect the Torx piece that's in there. As you can see, pull the rubber out so you can pull that plastic trim out. And the longest wire, it's going to go up, around, in, down and under, and come up this side. I want to hide the wire in there, so I'm just going to thread it up, through and under. So the longest one. Alright, okay, so that's it then guys, that's the boot lights now installed. As you can see, it's illuminating both sides now. That looks freaking awesome, I really, really like that. That's a really easy install, and yeah, really just about to see them under there, and then one that side as well. So yeah, illuminate both sides of the boot now, so nice and blue. And yeah, I just hid all the wiring underneath the trim here, underneath the rubber seal. So let's move on to the front of the car now and then do the Footwell lights. That should be a 2-second job as well. Okay, so now we've done it in the boot, so we're going to move on now to the interior. This will take 2 seconds and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, but I will show you. Get the mat. It's dusty in this bloody underground car park. So anyway, yeah, I have just put the lights in where I wanted to, where I want them. So under the back seat, under the front footwell, you can see the little 501 connection there. So you come down under here, grab your connection. My connectors, this is where they're going to be for the underfloor footlights. I'm just going to literally plug this in. It should be plug and play. And there we go. Plug it in. Just thread the wire up out the way, like so. Beautiful. Alright, so now that's one strip lamp all the way along, so it literally fills a whole entire footwell light. That's absolutely awesome. So that's what it's going to look like. And then one in the back as well, under the back seat. I'll show you that in a minute. But what I've basically done is, you can see the wire there, I'll thread it down, up, over, went behind this. You don't have to take this off, you can just pull this out a little bit and you can just push it up behind here. The wire comes down the side here, so, and then I literally, you see the wire coming down there, make sure it goes under the seat rail, not over it, because otherwise the seat will eat it up. So as you can sort of see, it goes under, a bit hard to see, there we go, you can see it goes under the seat rail, so just thread it underneath that, and then just put the light underneath the back, you can see it hanging down there. So we go into the back of the car. Oh, mine's just dropped off, damn it. So under the back of the car, I'll just put it on literally on the base of the seat, because it gets the right angle, shining down on the floor, shine down the floor and up to the back here. So yeah, that's how it's going to sit. The sticky stuff doesn't stick very well to that part of the seat, so I will perhaps get some more double-sided sticky tape, but for now that will do there. And then just repeat it on the other side. We'll go around there now and do that. So down on the other side, the driver's side, again I've already put the wires in and threaded it all up, so as you can see there's the strip, goes along the top there. Grab the connection, which is there, and the driver's side one is literally just above the clutch pedal, hook up in there, and then plug and play again. There we go. As easy. Yeah, the sticky stuff needs to be a bit more sticky than that. Let's go and get some double-sided sticky tape in it and stick it on there a little bit better. Other than that, the pedals looking awesome. Then basically what I've done is threaded the wire up through there again, all the way along under the seat, under the frame of the seat, and stuck it down in the back. So now you can see that side lighting up, this side, passenger side, driver's side. And then again, I literally just threaded the wire down behind the seat frame, stuck it to the base of the seat, and then that's it then, guys. That is how easy it is, and that's what it looks like from a distance. That looks absolutely fantastic. If you see my Instagram post, you would have seen I would have uploaded some pictures of this already, and yeah, that looks awesome, doesn't it? Very nice. And now on the back of the car, ignore all the mess, but yeah, there we go. That's what it looks like in the back. Looks brilliant, doesn't it? It's not good. So there we go then, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this little install. Like I said, it's nothing too big, it's easy, and it just enhances the interior a lot more, especially in the boot where it's quite dark, and now the tinted windows make it dark inside, so this really brightens up the front and the back of the car. And yeah, in blue as well, and it's spot on. So I'd like to say a huge thank you to my sponsor Customod for sending that out to me. Thank you guys, and keep sending me some of your awesome products, and I can't wait to install anything else that you guys want to send me. But yeah, if you guys want to grab any of this awesome interior lights, back or front, all the links and that are in the description down below. Just click on them and it will send you directly to the lights. I also installed the links in the description in the unboxing video, so you can go there as well. So that's it then, guys. That's the interior Footwell lights and rear lights and the boot lights installed in the ST. Nice and easy. I do like it when it goes nice and easy, nice simple install, nothing too complicated. It went nice and smoothly. So there we go. Thank you guys very much for watching. Catch you on the next video. Remember, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe at the bottom. Don't forget to click the like button and that bell notification button just to let you know when I upload my new videos. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook for any news and updates, especially on the ST and RS Legends merchandise. The stickers at the moment are going absolutely brilliantly. If you're wondering what the stickers look like that. That's the version 1. I'm now doing another version of it with different text writing. And now these come in any colour stickers you want. So you get 2 stickers for £6. So yeah, and I've sold quite a lot lately. I'm really thankful for anyone buying them. In colour look amazing. So I've ordered myself some in blue. I'll put it on the back window and another one in the engine bay. So grab the stickers, guys. And also the ST and RS Legends key tags have now been released as well, and yeah, I'm really excited to get them out. And they're in the shop, the ST RS Legends storefront on the AJ Focus YouTube channel, Facebook page, sorry. So get on there and have a look and grab some of that awesome gear, and especially the clothing and the hoodies. And I'll leave you with that then, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you later on. I like that. That's very nice. See you guys soon.